Everybody hates the goddamn Kanban board. It's either outdated or a nightmare to keep up to date. People don't want to commit in detail to what they're gonna do, and it's same shit different days, so if you do this too often, it just kinda sucks. So let's ask ourselves, what do we actually need from this type of meeting? And there's really few things here. We need to get the big picture right, so we need a loose overview of what everyone is doing. Professionalism, so we should avoid redundant requests to the client's organization, and gold nuggets, so we want to do a bit of knowledge sharing here, that's to the point. So here's a better proven way to do it. For the tool, just do not go with Planner, instead go with Word and PowerPoint, so I'll just show you in a second how to do this. For the cadence, let's do this on Mondays only and use Wednesdays and Fridays differently. And for the level of detail, just either make it low or keep it low, because this is a dynamic environment and we can check out PowerPoint decks individually if need be. Alright, so here's the Word example. So for Mondays, you're gonna use this simple structure. So for each of the work streams, and additionally for an overarching general stream, we're gonna show the key activities for the week, which meetings are supposed to take place, and the data that's supposed to be requested. And the reason we're doing this is we want to avoid redundant data requests, and we want to use meetings as sufficient as possible. So in case you have additional points to discuss with Jane Doe, for example, let's align on this on Monday. Second, we want to know who's out of office. So for example, Mark said it's going to be on training this week. And this already brings us to the Wednesday and Friday slots. So for the Wednesdays, we're going to do short slide deck flyovers, so 3 to 4 minutes for each stream and a general stream. So here the idea is to highlight where discussions are going to take place. So usually if you have a deck of something like 30-40 slides, it's just that key discussions will center around just 3 to 4 slides. And for the Fridays, we're going to have another 15-minute slot with a short general update first and then a knowledge sharing deep dive. So for example, the general stream could share the methods that are going to be applied in the executive workshop. Now don't get me wrong here, the planner is a great tool for static tasks that do not change as much, such as organizing onboarding to-dos within a unit or planning agendas for recurring meetings. It's just that it's not a good fit for dynamic project environments as we're working in here. If you like this video, check out my playlist on strategy consulting project delivery, and I'll see you in the next video.